House and Garden. Today I'm going to show you how to freeze milk. Freeze milk, you can. It's as simple as that. And we're in lockdown at the moment, so we tend to buy milk, and we're lucky enough to get it from a local cheese farm in lovely glass bottles. But it's not going to last in the bottles before we can actually consume it. So the great way to get around it is actually freeze it. So I'm going to give it a really good shake. And all you need is a container which is freezer proof. Now I've got an Easy-Yo yogurt pot here, ideal container for two reasons. It's plastic and then you can pop it in the freezer. It's got a lovely tight screw top lid and it's not going to break in the freezer. You cannot put glass in the freezer because it will break the bottle and then you're in an awful mess. So nice clean yogurt pot. So I'm just giving this a really good shake because this is beautiful non-homogenised milk, which is ideal for making cheese and all sorts. And simply all you do is pop it into your container. Now it's really important that you need to leave a gap at the top because it's a liquid, it will expand. If you fill it up to the top, it will find a way of coming out of the top in your freezer and just going everywhere. And if you've ever had to clean up milk off anything, it's really not a pleasant job whatsoever. So that's ready to go into the freezer. Top goes back on here and then we'll use this over the next day or so. And then I'm just going to show you what the milk looks like. It goes yellow. Don't be put off by this colour. This is solid frozen milk. And all you do when you want to use it is take it out of the freezer, and I just pop it in my fridge and leave it overnight, and it will just slowly defrost, and it's absolutely perfectly usable for anything that you'd normally do with milk. It doesn't change it whatsoever. So as I say, do not be put off by the colour, because the first time I did this I thought I'd ruin my milk and I really hadn't, and it's a great way of preserving milk if you've got excess milk or you need to make your milk go a lot longer. So there you go, how to freeze milk. So if you like my video, please hit like, subscribe, ring the bell for updates. Any comments, any questions, hit me up in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer any of your questions. So I'll see you next time.